Friends, the third video of our series is going to be interesting. So you have to be focused on stairs part. Okay, so here is the stair. Is in this stair, when I click it, there is a more option that all options we have discussed before. Okay, there is a landing, support runs, almost we have discussed. Now is create sketch. Okay, if you want to create your own stairs, so you can create from create sketch. See, I'm taking this one. When I take this tab and click on this tab, then there is a three options is coming here: boundary, riser, and stair path. Okay, so boundary means, see, this stair I have, so there is a one that side and one is this side, so these sides is known as boundary. So for the boundary we have to create, like, I'm taking line, you can create by the rectangle, you can create by the circle, so any kind of shape you can create here in your stair. So I'm taking this one straight, see, like this. Now when I click here, so automatically it is showing me the 0 riser created and 21 riser remaining. Okay, it means here I did not create any riser. Okay, and the target up to going to up to the level of 2, I need 21 risers. Okay, so now I'm creating boundary. Suppose I create this boundary like this. Okay, L shape. Now you can create again, or you can take offset. It's better you take offset, and I'm doing here 1200 offset. Okay, this side and this side, and I'm connecting these all by this one. Okay, now there is a riser you have to create here. So first I'm taking the riser here. Now you can take offset is better. I'm taking 280 or 300, whatever you want you can take. I'm taking 300, so click 300, or you can copy also, you can array also. There is a lot of option for the copy. If there is a overlap, you have to do Control Z. Now I'm doing again this riser is showing in black and boundary is showing in this green. Okay, so I'm closing this up to here. Now again I'm taking offset. See, here is riser is coming 15 created and 6 is remaining, so I'm creating 6 more, so automatically it will tell you the 0. Now it's okay. Now go here, tap on this and this one and this one, so it becomes complete stair of us. Okay, so this stair I made, if I will click it, it will not create. See why? Because no, because there is no any straight path of stair. Okay, so stair path I have to create here, suppose from here to here. Okay, and I will make it like little bit up the, so for the looking purpose I also have to see. Okay, now our stair is ready. When you will click it, it becomes, when you will do it like this, create it. When same is there, monolithic and whatever you need, you go here, so check, automatically railing will come here. Okay, delete it. Same, everything is same. Okay, when I go here edit type, there is a monolithic, same is there, you can go here. Okay, same options is coming here as before. So if you need your own risers or own stair, you can create like this. Okay, so one thing also I'm just checking, so here I do one thing more. In previous video we did not discuss, so here we are just going to discuss this. There is a right support. Okay, so right support means this support, if you want you can check this, you can take right support here, and there is the option stringers means when you will click it back it is less, so easily we can understand and apply. So see here there is a right support, if you need you can take this one support. Okay, and this one stringer, this one carrier support. Okay, so here becomes a support. Okay, and if you don't want, you can take it none. And same is here, we have left support, same is options, you can check this one. Now we have middle support. I'm taking this middle support. Okay, and apply. 1 minute I'm doing. Okay, so it's better, I'm clicking it and I'm doing here in suppose 10 rises like this, or maybe this one. Okay, now here I'm going on this. Okay, now I'm clicking on middle support and apply. So here middle support is coming, but I'm removing this supports, none. Okay, and I'm increasing the depth is okay, everything is okay. When I going to the run type, there is a thickness 600, I am doing here 25. Oh sorry, 250 is not 25 thread thickness. Okay, and thread I need, but I don't need risers, so I uncheck it and check slanted. So here is coming the middle support. Okay, and riser is okay, everything is okay here. So now here I'm going and I'm checking this middle support. Carriage is 50 mm width. Okay, so change the width if you want, you can take. Okay, 150 mm structure depth on run. Okay, is the depth, and structure depth on landing is 300 mm, total depth is 400, width is 550. So that one, okay, is you can make like this. Okay, and we will create the separate video of this, like this kind of stairs. Okay, so up to here you can practice on your videos. I hope that one you will understand and you can do things. Click here, I'm checking its middle portion and apply. Okay, because this is because the stairs. Now go and edit type, because we selected that part. Okay, so here is, you can go anytime. There is stairs, straight, slanted, rises. Okay, no problem, we are just becoming long, so we will create it in next video.